New bodycam footage shows the moment Chad Doerman was taken to jail, where deputies search him for any sharp objects. Then take him to a room where they have Doerman remove all his clothes and put on a bulletproof bodysuit. Last week, Chad Doerman was indicted on 21 counts, including 9 counts of aggravated murder in the killings of his 3 young sons. Prosecutors are seeking the death penalty. An observer had this to say about the situation.
After spending 10 years in state prison myself, I can tell you exactly what's going to happen to Chad Doerman in prison. They do not respect or like anyone who preys on the weak, tries to harm those who are defenseless, and who also have done nothing to bring that on themselves. They've done nothing to anyone. They're innocent. If he does go into general population, won't be surprised one bit to see probably more than one, multiple guys are going to approach him and let him see how it feels to not be able to defend yourself and to feel helpless in a situation. You know, I see the clips of him in court. He's wearing the turtle suit. Just that alone, and just what his actions say about who he is. He's probably going to do everything he can to stay in protective custody, to stay locked away, isolated from all and any other inmates, much less go into general population.
Thanks for watching and supporting our channel. Please subscribe to stay updated with our upcoming content. Your likes, comments, and shares are greatly appreciated.